Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14 FS and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find Wallpapers and Style. Then let's tap on this Wallpapers section. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. At the top you can also enter your album, and obviously you'll set your own photo as a wallpaper, or tap on more wallpapers, and if you will log in to the OPPO account, then you will be able to download some of those beautiful wallpapers and apply them, of course, to your home screen. I don't want to waste time on logging in, so let me choose something from pre-installed options. Maybe this one. Just tap on the specific wallpaper to check the preview, or maybe not. And now I am wasting time. All right, this one. So just tap on it to check the wallpaper on the full screen, and then tap on Apply To. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, both, or the carousel. I'll pick both options, so let me tap on it. Right here we've got the lock screen, but after swiping we can check the home screen, and instead of applying the wallpaper we can apply the solid color or gradient. So let's tap on it. As you can see here, you've got gradient colors, solid colors. You can also change the colors, so you can change the intensity. You can make it more pale or pastel like, and here we've got also vibrant colors, so it's basically up to you. I think I would like to match it with the lock screen. And here you've got also something like style. I mean, you can blur it if you wish. It's totally up to you. And here you've got system colors, so you've got the wallpaper colors, or those which are, let's say, pre-installed. You can also custom them. Got it, custom. And you can choose the colors from the wallpaper by just dragging this those circles and choosing the color which you like the most, which is a quite nice option, I would say. We can do something like that. All right, and then go back and it will be applied. All right, so to finish everything, simply tap on Apply in the right upper corner. Now let's wait. We can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.